What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to change the background color of an image in Photoshop CC. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. In most cases, you will need to remove the background in order to change the color. There are different methods on how to do it, and in case it's a simple white background, then you can make use of the magic eraser tool. Right-click the image layer and make sure that it's converted to layers. In case you're unable to find the magic eraser tool in your toolbar, then right-click your eraser tool and select it, or look it up under Edit Toolbar. When this is done, simply click on the white background and it should be removed. You can then proceed to select the Paint Bucket tool. On the right-hand side, click on this colored square to open up your color picker window. From here, select a color and click on OK. Lastly, left-click the background to change it to the selected color. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.